What's up, you guys? This is Shay. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm going to be doing a video, well, a story time, okay, about one of my worst clients ever when I was doing hair. First of all, I want to just stop before I proceed and just want to welcome everybody that's new to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel is about nursing, fashion, beauty, try-ons. It's just a variety of a lot of different things on my channel. So if you guys are interested in my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, as well as hit the bell notification if you want to be notified when I post a new video. Okay, so you guys, let's do this story time. Okay, I'm gonna try my hardest not to say names, or maybe I will. Oh well. Okay, so this is the story time. Okay, so this is one of my worst clients ever. Okay, so let me tell you a little backstory. Okay, I was introduced to this woman by one of my other clients. I've been doing my other client here for so long, so I always trust her judgment because she always like hooks me up with clients. So the client who recommended her, she was a model, so she was in the industry. She always like recommended, really good clients to me. So this particular client, she was the girlfriend of a guy that was in the industry, in movies and stuff. So I was like, shit, this is a bomb ass client for me to have. So boom, I started doing her hair. I used to go all the way out to like one of these, high class neighborhoods to go do her hair. And so I started, becoming cool with her. I was like, shit. So I would go down there and do her hair. She paid me really well because I had to get paid travel time. Um, so mind you, so after a while, I was doing her hair for months. We established like a good rapport with each other. Like I felt like I can trust her at this time. I was like, damn, she's a very good client. Like hell, like, I really trust her. I've been doing her hair for so long. This is so funny. Side note, let me just tell you guys. So this girl, she lived far out, like out there. I don't even want to say where, but just far out, like far in like a upper class neighborhood, like Calabasas, right? So anyway, I'm just giving an example of a neighborhood like Calabasas, something like really like upscale, right? So mind you, this client was African American, so I was doing weaves on her hair. One time I had all my supplies with me, the hair products, the freaking needle thread curlers. But damn, I was like, something just popped in my head. I'm like, oh shit, I forgot the braiding hair for me to braid her hair down, for me to braid the foundation for the weave. I'm like, oh my goodness, I am freaking like riding around, getting off the freeway. I'm out here in her city now. So I'm like, fuck, like I'm not even close to, because I stay in yeah, the neighborhood I stay in, shit, I can find a beauty supply on every corner. So I'm like, shit, like, so I'm like, damn, I'm like literally looking. It's literally, I said, I'm all messing up. It was literally no damn beauty supplies anywhere. Let me just tell you how God works, okay, you guys? This is so random. It was a girl standing on the bus stop, and I seen her. This shit is so crazy. I seen her stand on a bus stop. She was a sister, so I'm like, shit, she gotta know where the braid hair is, because shit, she the only sister I seen within a couple of miles. So it's like, damn. So I pulled over to the bus stop. I'm like, oh my God, like I do not see a beauty supply. Do you know where I can get some braided hair from? She's like, girl, I got braided hair right here. What the fuck is the odds of that? She had a brand new pack of braiding hair. I literally paid her braiding hair at that time. I think it was like 2 for $5. I gave her ass $10 for one pack of braiding hair. I was so excited. Like, what the hell is the odds of that? Her having braiding hair, like that shit was crazy. But anyway, that part was funny. So anyway, so I get the hair from her. Go to my client house, do her hair, boom, boom, boom. So when I'm doing my client hair, she like, Sheree, can you come out this weekend? Because I'm going to be doing a photo shoot. Like I'm about to bring you out. I got photographers coming. I got a makeup artist coming out too, because, she wants to pursue music. So she's like, shit, I got this whole thing. Like, can you do hair? I'm like, shit, hell yeah. So anyway, she told me the time. So what I did was, I did all my clients. I booked my clients. I pushed their appointments to where I was able to, do their hair the day before. And then I did it hella early in the morning before I went out there to her photo shoot. So anyway, when I get out there, do her hair for the photo shoot, at this time, I don't even know if I'm underpaid. I have no damn idea because, I didn't even know what to pay. So I'm just about to be honest with you guys. Back when I did her hair for the photo shoot, I only charged her $550. I don't know, shit. Maybe I don't. That's what I charged her, right? Because I did a weave. I charged her because I did a full on weave and shit on her hair. And I had to be there to style it in different styles. So when I first did it, the first one I sewed in her weave. The first one was a straight hairstyle. She had it straight with a part in the middle. And then I had to go back. I had to, what was the other style? The next style, I put like a clip in, like did a different part, clipped in some bangs and made her have some bangs with some curls. The other one, the last one, I did how many shoot? 1, 2, I don't know. And then the last one was like some curls, and then I had like her hair flipped over like some type of side ponytail thing, something like that. So anyway, that's what I charged. I don't know if I was undercharged, overcharged. I have no damn idea because, it's my first time like really doing a photo shoot like of that caliber, because I would do like little different things when I was assistant. I worked on like a movie set with somebody, but they played me when I did the movie set. I was assisting somebody. So, that was a whole nother story. I'm going to do a story on that too. That's about being an assistant for somebody, how they try to play you. So anyway, so I get to her house. It's this whole little thing, like lights. It was a big deal. So I did the photo shoot for her. Boom, she gave me a check, right? Usually I believe she had paid me with checks in the past, but mostly cash. But this time she gave me a check. I was like, fine. At this time, you guys, I'm not going to even lie. I didn't really check my accounts like I was supposed to. When I deposit a check, you know how some people go and look and be like, did the check clear? I'm not going to lie. I was in a prime of my career at the time. So I was getting a lot of, money in at that time. So I wasn't really on my shit. I'm not going to even lie. I wasn't. I deposited the check in the account. I know that I'm able to withdraw money when I need it. I'm not like struggling. So I'm not really checking it like that, right? So boom, she paid me for that. So really, when usually the photo shoot was over, I went home, everything turned out good. I'm excited, shit, bragging, blah, blah, this and that. Like I did a photo shoot. I got pictures of this. Like it's a whole thing. Like I'm feeling good. So mind you, usually I do her hair every couple of weeks or every week, but this time she was like, Sheree, can you come back out? So I did her hair on that Saturday. She was like, so I did that, and then she asked me, she was like, can you come out to my house on Thursday to just change? She had the weave, but she wanted me, I believe, to like flat iron and do something else to her hair because she didn't really do hair like that. I'm like, sure, like that's cool. It was in a short length of time, right? So maybe I went to her house. I'm not sure. I don't know. It was within a couple of days of me doing the photo shoot. So mind you, I went down there again, drove down there and did her hair. She wanted me to do something to her hair. I believe that check was $175. I'm pretty sure because $175 is in my head. It was $175. So $175. So anyway, so I went, I did her hair. She was like, this is what should have like made me think something. She was like, Sheree, can you wait to put the check in on Thursday? So yeah, it had to be at the beginning of the week because I know for sure. She was like, Sheree, can you wait to put the check in on Thursday? I was like, yeah, sure. She was like, yeah, because that's the day that I get more. I don't know what was her reason for it, but she asked me. I was like, sure. Nothing, no light popped up in my head or nothing, because mind you, we had built such a good rapport. I've been doing her hair for so long, like a very long time. It was like damn near going on a year. Like we were really cool. So, and plus shit, the dude that she dating, she living in this bomb ass house, got multiple houses, and the dude that she dating is in the industry. Like he's a really good comedian. It's no way that she's about to just do me shady. Like, why would she do that to me? So anyway, so she told me to put it in on that Thursday. So that's what I did. So anyway, I'm not gonna lie, like a week passed, or a week or something passed, maybe like a week and a half. Still didn't think about anything because mind you, I'm still able to pull out money. So something, I had purchased something, and something told me, let me call to see if what happened with this, because I didn't actually get something that I ordered. So I'm like calling to see like, okay, what happened? Did they not take their money out? I don't understand. I didn't receive what I was supposed to be receiving. And then they looked into it, then they started reading out something. They was like, and you have a check that bounced. Like, I guess they're not like it bounced, like I didn't have money, but like they check bounced or something. And then she read off the one for 550, and then she read off another one for 175. And I'm like, what the fuck? And I have a fee for that, I believe. I'm like, I cannot believe this. I'm like, damn, like that's a gang of money, like seven something, right? 700 and something dollars. Like, what the fuck? I'm like, oh hell no. Nah. So after they tell me that, I'm like hyperventilating, because right now I'm like, damn, that's a grip of money. Like, so I'm still not thinking that. I'm like, shit, she able to pay me, like she not about to do me shady. So what I did was I called her. She didn't answer the phone. And then so I'm like, okay, she didn't answer. So what I did was I text her, because she said that she was in a different state with her famous boyfriend at the time, and it was a lot of stuff going on with him, right? So, okay. So I text her, I'm like, okay, blah, blah. I don't want to say her name. So I'm like, okay, I just want to let you know that your checks bounce, like the one for the 550 as well as the 175. I'm like, it bounced in my account. Like, they saying that it didn't go through. She was like, oh, it must be because I closed my account. She made up an excuse. She was like, that's all right, girl. I'm gonna give you the money. She was like, when I come back from out of town. No, actually, she did not say that. She was like, that's okay. I'm going to wire you the money tomorrow, right? So I'm like, okay. So now I'm cool again. I'm like, okay, I knew she wasn't about to do no shit like that. So the next day passed. I'm like, damn, she ain't even hitting me up or nothing. So I let that day hold, roll, and then I text her the next day, like, blah, blah, whatever her name is. I'm like, what's going on? Are you going to wire me the money? And then I even told her this to make her try to put a move on it. I'm like, you know what? I'm trying to move. I've been telling you I want to move. I'm trying to move, and this is really messing me up. Can you hurry up and put the money in the account? And then she was like, okay. She made up another excuse. She was like, okay, I'm going to give it to you when I get back home or whatever. I'm like, damn, like, is she really shady like this? So boom, another week had passed, because mind you, she's saying that now she can't wire me the money. So it's the reason. And now she made up a fucking excuse on why she can't wire me the money. So I'm like, okay, whatever. So boom, that another week went past, and then I like call her. I call her. She's not answering my phone at this point. Now she not answering my phone call, and I'm like, damn, that's shady, because I've been doing her hair for a long ass time. So now you not answering my phone call. Okay, so boom, she didn't answer my phone call. So I'm like, this bitch, like, what the fuck is going on? And mind you, I'm cool with her uncle too. She got an uncle that was staying with her too, or whatever, visiting her, staying with her, something like that. I was cool with him too. So at this time, I had a boyfriend that was like, thought hood. So he was like, hell no, we about to go up over her house and see if she about to give us this money. He's like, no, we about to go up over there and see like what's going on. Shit, at this point, I'm like, okay. So we drive all the way to her house. I know she's home now. Like, I know she's at the house. Like, I see, I know she's there. But mind you, she got kids too. So I knock on her door. Boom, boom, boom. The uncle comes to the door. I'm like, okay, like, is such and such home? Because she's supposed to, be here, or she owe me money. She's supposed to give me money. He was like, oh no, she not here. I'm gonna tell her that you came by. I'm like, no, like, what the hell is going on? Like, this is shady. And I'm cool with him. Like, I'm talking, but he's acting like brand new. He's like, oh, now she out of town, but now she in a different state. Like, what the fuck? So she can't, like, it's a whole little thing. When I said I was so pissed off, do you know that she stopped returning my phone calls at the after I left the house, because the uncle was like, nah, he was closing the door. He seen dude, my boyfriend in the car at the time. He closed that damn door. So I'm like, damn, like, I'm really not about to get my money back. This is my first time ever experiencing something like this. I'm like, this shit is scandalous. Like, that's how don't ever think just because somebody's like has it well off or in the industry that they like real cool ass people. Sometimes they're not. And we was super, when I say that we were super cool. Like, she was confiding, like, we were cool. So, okay, after that, I tried her again. I tried her again to, see like what she gonna do about my money. she just never paid me. I tried again. I even was about to go on this TV show, and they tried to they was gonna accept my, you know, they was gonna accept my, sorry about that. They was gonna accept, you know, I told them, I wrote them or whatever. This how fucking pissed off I was. I forgot the name of the court show, and then they wrote her, but she would not respond. Like, you know, because they have to respond too on that side. She would not respond, and still to this day, she has not paid me back my money. That is so scandalous, and I think this happened this was some years ago. It's shady, and you want to know something? God works the way God work is like he does not play. She wanted to pursue music. Her ass still ain't put out a CD. I've been looking. She still have not put out a CD. She's still not nowhere on TV. She's shady as hell. So I just had to tell that story. Like, don't even think that people be thinking like, damn, just because this person has a lot of money, this person do this. People are shady. If you a shady ass person, you're gonna be a shady ass person when you have money or without money. But yeah, that's what happened. So one thing that did teach me is I was still doing hair at the time. That shit taught me I stopped taking checks from people. If you don't pay me with cash, like, that's it. Because it never dawned on me that people can pay you with a check and then not go through. And then what you gonna do? So I was like, no more checks, only pay cash. So yeah, that taught me a really good lesson. If I ever go back to doing hair on the side, I know I'm not taking no damn check from you. Like, hell no. Yeah, so that was my worst client ever. I had some clients. Like, I had my bomb ass regular clients, but then I had some shady clients too. But yeah, that's my story time, you guys, about the shady ass clients. Okay, you guys, thank you for checking out my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed my story time. If you guys did enjoy it, just don't forget to subscribe. Okay, until next time, peace out.